You just got your tax refund and you are ready to spend it. Well, hold on, not so fast. Let's talk about what you can use this tax refund for to set yourself up for the future. First off, if you're always getting a big tax refund, that means you're giving the government an interest-free loan, and you might want to take a look at your W-4 and make an adjustment so you're getting your money sooner. Number one, if you work for an employer that offers a 401k match and you're not already taking advantage of this match, then make sure to use your tax refund to go towards the match. This is free money, and there's not a lot of ways to get guaranteed free money like this. Most companies will match dollar for dollar up to a certain percentage of your pay. I don't know of any other way to double your money instantly, so make sure you're taking advantage of your 401k match. Number two, if you have any high interest debt, you should use this money to pay that down. If that interest is higher than 6% and it isn't a mortgage payment, you should be paying it down now. If you have an interest rate of 18% on your credit card, paying that off first will save you 18% on that amount of money, which is far greater than the average return in the market. And it's also guaranteed, which is not always the case when you are investing. Number three, use this money to create an emergency fund that will cover 3 to 6 months of your expenses. The emergency fund should be kept in a high yield savings account. This will keep your assets safe from the fluctuations of the market while earning a little interest at the same time. The last thing you want to have happen is to have to sell your assets when the market is down, just because you don't have the funds to cover you in an emergency. Number four, fund your HSA. This is one of my favorite accounts. This is a rare account that can actually be completely tax-free money. There are some requirements to have access to an HSA, so check and see if you qualify. This account allows you to put pre-tax dollars into the account and then use the money for medical-related expenses without paying any taxes. Within the HSA account, you can invest your funds in the market to help grow your money tax-free. It is hard to beat 100% tax-free money. If for some reason you can't use all the money in this account for medical expenses, after the age of 65, you can use it as a normal retirement account. All you have to do is pay the normal taxes on any amount you withdraw for non-medical expenses. Number five, fund your Roth IRA. This is another great tax-advantaged account. You will pay your taxes upfront, but the money will grow tax-free, and when you go to withdraw the money in retirement, you will not have to pay any more taxes. This account currently has a max of $6,000 per year, and you should be trying to maximize this every single year. Number six, you can fund an after-tax brokerage account with your favorite index funds. My favorites are VOO and VTI, giving you broad exposure to the market. In this account, you will have to pay taxes on any dividends or interest earned each year, and you will also have to pay taxes on any gains made when you sell your investments. Number seven, you can buy some I-bonds. These are issued by the United States Treasury, and you can put up to $10,000 per year in these I-bonds. And they have a changing interest rate every 6 months. These I-bonds change rates based on the CPI numbers, so they keep up with inflation. The current interest rate for the I-bonds is 9.62%, which is actually really good for a guaranteed rate. There are some limitations on I-bonds, so make sure you do a little research before putting your money into an I-bond. Number eight, buy some crypto. This might be one of the more controversial ones, but having a small exposure to Bitcoin and/or Ethereum in your portfolio can be a great way to add diversity. I would keep this to 5% or less of your portfolio, since crypto is still an up-and-coming asset that could go to zero. So make sure if you invest in crypto, you know the risk, and if it does go to zero, it won't be a big impact on your wealth. Lastly, if your investments and savings are already in order, use that money to have some fun. Use it to help with a trip or to buy that new gadget you've always been wanting. Saving and building wealth is very important, but so is experiencing life and having fun. So don't forget to treat yourself. If you enjoyed today's video, I would appreciate it if you gave me a like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time.